If you're an Amazon seller and not capturing your customer data so that you can retarget them with a Facebook ad, then you're missing out on massive opportunity. If you didn't know, you can link your Amazon seller account with your Facebook ad account using a software called ZonHero. ZonHero grabs your Amazon customer data and pushes it to your Facebook ad account. When it's inside Facebook, it'll be in your offline conversion section as well as in your pixel data section, so then you can create custom audiences from it. Imagine being able to target your Amazon customers with a Facebook ad, showing them a different product than what they originally bought. Or if you offer consumable products, imagine being able to reach out to them and getting them to buy again. So whether you're asking for reviews, getting them to come back and buy again from you, or cross-selling them a completely different product you offer, ZonHero makes this all possible. Setting up your ZonHero account is extremely easy. It only takes a couple minutes and we pretty much do it all. All we need is access to your Amazon seller account and your Facebook ad account. So now I'm gonna take you inside 2 ad accounts that have ZonHero set up and are currently tracking conversions. So in this column right here, you can see that this is just tracking the amount of purchases that have happened inside Amazon, and then it's attributing it to certain campaigns inside your Facebook ad account. Now in this column right here, this is just your cost per Amazon purchase. And then this column right here shows your actual Amazon purchase conversion value. So it shows you, this campaign led to $250 in sales on Amazon. This campaign right here led to $108 in sales on Amazon. So now we're in ad account number 2. And as you can see, it's tracked over 6,000 purchases from Amazon, all broken down into the different campaigns, and we could further go down even deeper on the ad set level and on the ad level, seeing which ads resulted in a purchase on Amazon. So that's how many purchases happened right there, and then the cost per Amazon purchase is in this column, and then in this column is showing the purchase conversion value on Amazon. So if you look at this campaign right here, this shows 1 purchase on Amazon for a value of $963. This campaign shows 1 purchase for $1805. This campaign shows 26 purchases for a total conversion value of $548. So this is a great example of how this data is going to look in your Facebook ad account. Once you start running ads and you start getting purchases, those purchases that happen in Amazon are going to show up in your Facebook ad account. Okay, so to recap everything, ZonHero can help you track your actual Amazon purchases and tie them back to your Facebook ads. So if you're running your Facebook ads, you want to be able to know which ad resulted in a purchase and which did not. So ZonHero helps with that. ZonHero also helps with getting that Amazon customer data that you're getting, putting that into a Facebook custom audience, putting that into your pixel, and being able to retarget those Amazon customers that you're getting so that you can cross-sell them other products, you can get them to write a review, you can get them to do a whole bunch of different things. Also, when you're running your conversion campaigns inside Facebook, you can choose ZonHero as your conversion optimization event, and then whenever the purchase happens inside Amazon, that data gets sent back to Facebook. Facebook can then optimize on that data to then make your ads run better using your Amazon purchase as the actual event that it's optimizing on. Basically, ZonHero allows you to connect your Amazon seller account with your Facebook ad account so that you can get your Amazon customers to buy from you again and again and again across all your different sales channels. So now go ahead and sign up for ZonHero by either clicking below or scrolling down, depending on where you're seeing this video. Sign up now and start maximizing the lifetime value of the customers that you're currently getting.